Alright, so figured I'd get going on this project a little bit before I fix, that was Jackson by the way, fix this. I wanted to make sure I had some inspiration, so thought I'd try and fire up the Johnson today. Actually, I was battling with that, and that's all on. Anyways, this thing sounds pretty good.